Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting resource conflicts so Discord can use your CPU and GPU. Close browsers, game clients, and background uploaders. This frees cycles and reduces frame drops. Next, test your upload speed. You want at least 5 megabits per second for stable 720p share. Once done, switch to wired Ethernet or a 5 GHz wireless network to lower latency and packet loss. These first steps make later tweaks actually effective, because poor network or overloaded hardware beats any app setting. Now you optimize Discord itself so the app works with your hardware. If you have a discrete GPU, enable hardware acceleration to offload rendering. If that causes issues, turn it off and test the difference. Choose a lower stream resolution like 720p or 480p and set 30 frames per second to reduce bandwidth and CPU demand. Make sure you share a single application window rather than full screen, and disable overlays that inject extra rendering work. These changes cut processing and transmission overhead. Finish by ensuring drivers and the Discord client are current. GPU and app updates often resolve performance bugs. If lag continues, try switching the voice server region or toggle quality of service settings to see if routing improves. A full restart of Discord or your computer clears stalled services and memory leaks. Test screen share from another device to determine if the problem is local. If nothing helps, record when lag occurs and try adjusting resolution again. That troubleshooting note speeds up diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.